Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a really special unboxing for all you terrain enthusiasts out there. I've picked up 4 unique items that I actually ordered online and I think are perfect for decorating, crafting and adding that extra touch of real team flair to any space. And I decided to share my experience with all of you, so let's dive right in and see what we got. First up, check out this beautiful Art Deco style string train wall sticker. This piece is truly eye-catching. It's made of vinyl with a watercolor effect, which gives it like a lovely artistic vibe, I would say. It's super easy to stick onto a wall in any room, bedroom, dining room, study, you name it. Imagine this in your study or living room. It's such a unique way to showcase your love for trains and add a retro yet elegant touch to your decor. I personally love it, and to be honest, I think it looks absolutely awesome. Next, we have this roll of 500 stickers. Just look at how many there are, 500. And what's cool is that they come in 10 different designs, so there's a lot of variety here. These are really cool for scrapbooking, decorating cards, sealing envelopes, or just adding a little train-inspired flair to crafts. The self-adhesive decals make it super convenient, so just peel, stick and go. Alright, this next one is something I'm super excited about, but I'm going to keep it a bit of a surprise for a future episode. It's a 3D forest train backdrop that's absolutely stunning and has such a realistic effect. I promise you're going to love it when you see the whole thing set up. I'll just give you a little sneak peek here. Look at these colors and details. That's all I'm showing for now, but stay tuned. I'll be unveiling the full effect soon in an upcoming video, so trust me, it's worth the wait. And last but not least, we have this vintage style train room sign. It's made of acrylic and has a lovely rectangular shape that really gives it a classic look. The design has that nostalgic retro train vibe, which is perfect for any train team space. It's sturdy and has a nice glossy finish, which makes it look even more high quality. To be honest, I used a double-sided tape to stick it to the door, and I think it looks really awesome since even the colors seem to match. So there you have it, 4 unique train team items that any rail enthusiast would love to have, I think. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more train inspired content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on track with your passions. See ya!